Some new YouTubers go ahead to click on the plus sign to upload their videos just because they are new. Will the algorithm be aware that they are new? No, the algorithm will still do its work. The algorithm will use the features you have activated to promote your videos to more people. And so this is one mistake many new YouTubers make. So today I'm going to show you the right way of uploading. Stop using this plus sign. There's a better way to do it. There are buttons you need to activate, there are features you need to activate, there are tools you need to activate so that you can have more views in your video. So please let's dive into the YouTube studio so that I can show you everything and where and how to upload your video properly to get more views and more subscribers. Let's dive in. In this video, I'm going to be telling you the right way to upload your videos so that you can get more views and more subscribers. Now, you don't need to take your videos to everybody. The algorithm is there, but what will the algorithm do if you don't do the right thing? And if this video is the kind of video you want, please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video. All right, have you been uploading your videos using this plus sign you can see on the screen? No, that's a terrible mistake I made in my early days, and I don't want you to make the same mistake I have made. So using the plus sign here, it's just you limiting yourself because there is a lot of things you can do if you upload the right way. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So let's dive straight into the YouTube studio. Let's go. All right, so there are better ways of uploading videos professionally. We can see the plus sign. Plus sign is for beginners and maybe you don't really know how to go about it. In this video, I'm going to tell you the professional way of uploading your videos. When you click on the plus sign, you can go live, you can do other things. But when it has to do with your videos, if you upload the way I want to teach you, it will help your videos go viral, you have more engagement and all that. So we go over to the Chrome browser. That's the right way to go. If you don't have a laptop, no worries, go to the Chrome browser and type on studio.youtube.com. All right, so when you get there, log in. If you have been doing that, and then it will be easier for you to log into your account, right? So you are wait for it to open. But for this particular video, I'm going to be using an old content that I've already uploaded to really show us. So look at where that red circle is. You have the upload sign. See that you use that one, click on it, or there's another one above it. That's where you have the create sign there, create. When you click on it, to take you to another interface where you can now upload your videos or your file. Look at where it is now, where the arrow is pointing at. When you click on it, the particular video you've edited will show up for you to download. Then when you do that, it will bring you back to this interface where you do the real work. Right? So here now, that's where you have to add your description, your thumbnails. You can have that in the normal YouTube sites where you have the plus sign, but there are other things you need to do. When you get in there, you see where you have more, right? More features. That's where you do the main work there. Now, when you click on that, it will open up again to another interface where you have the very first one. There are other things here like the not for kids and all that, but the one I'm really looking at today is the categories. The categories will tell your audience what kind of video you are making so that the algorithm can also push it to people looking for that. So for this video or for my own channel, I talk about how to. So when you click on the categories, different entertainment, education, whatever, what is it? These tools, if you utilize them, it will help you to push your videos to the right audience. Okay, so the how to, it's where under the category is where I'm going to be using for this my video. And then when you are done with it, there's another important tool again YouTube has provided for you for your
benefits. And that next one is what we call the end screen. End screen is a tool provided by YouTube to help keep viewers glued to your channel, and the more they view, the more you have the watch hours, and some will subscribe for more. Like the end screen lead people to your other videos. All right, it makes them remain in your channel instead of just clicking out. It has an advantage. Maybe, okay, maybe they are tired of this particular video, or by the end of this video there are other things that when you click on the playlist, you're going to see the end screen, rather, you're going to see different types. Some will tell you video best for viewers, some can lead you to subscribe and all that. Any video you can, instead of just leaving it like that, it also makes your video more professional. The next I'll be talking about is the cards. Cards help your viewers to be more engaged. Yeah. So sometimes they are getting tired. There is another card. Visual is also appealing. So it helps. You can also add links to your website and other things there. So next time, don't just go straight to the plus sign where you'll be limiting yourself. Rather go to the YouTube studio, the desktop version for more.
I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope that you're going to do the right thing henceforth so that you can get the kind of views you need to get. You can get the kind of subscribers you need to get. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, and share this video so that more people can benefit from it. Thank you.